aworo breg pinyo chot. Riwruoge moko ariyo mok mag piny owacho matiyo e kaunti Homa Bay komakore gi bad migawo mar nyithindo mar chako chenro mar kedo gi lwenje mag udi majuko joma mine kod bembo mag nyithindo ka gitiyo gi yor lony manyasani. Jafwambo weche wa kaunti ma Homa Bay Alia Beach chuno ler mathoth ewi wachno.
Kaunti ma Homa Bay en achiel kuom counties ma poni gi midhiero ewi lwenje mag kit chwech ma joko joma mine udi kod timbe mag bembo ma itimo ne nyithindo matindo manyiri kod joma mine manonro yango ni ochung' atamalo 54. En wach makoro miyo riwruoge moko mag piny owacho matiyo e kaunti no chako chenro matiyo gi rowere matindo manyiri manie bwo higni 16 kokalo e bwo chenro ma idendo ni 160 Girls Justice Clubs ka itiyo gi lony manyasani e konyo duoko piny timbe mag bembo ma itimo ne nyithindo matindo manyiri.
Under the ban of the 160 Girls Project, it is a legal initiative aimed at sensitizing the children around issues of sexual violence, specifically defilement prevention. So what we do is we sensitize the school-going children on preventive measures around defilement, and they also sensitize the community through a bi-weekly series of publications.
Chenro mar chiwo tiegruok makamano riwruoge go tayo e skunde auchiel mag primary county no ka dwaro margi maduong' en tiyo kanyakla mar konyo duoko chien timbe mag anjawo ma itimo ne nyithindo manyiri e county no.
We have 225 students from 3 schools here in Homa Bay. Last year we had a similar number, or an average of 227. They usually use a tablet. Each child shares with at least 5 of them.
You understand Homa Bay, according to the recently released data, KDHS, we are at 54% when it comes to matters sexual gender-based violence. As a member of the Gender Technical Working Group, we've come up with many steps to ensure that together we are able to reduce the incidents and survivors get justice, because we are here with the 160 Girls Project, an innovation that uses technology to enlighten the children, the teachers, the local leaders on matters SGBV, how it can be reported, how evidence can be preserved, how boys are also vulnerable on matters SGBV.
Director bad migawo mar nyithindo e county no Peter Kutere wacho ni chenro makamano biro konyo nyithindo manyiri mondo gibed kora tichgi kod konyo duoko chien timbe mag maundu ma osebed ka itimo negi.
But what really impressed me is the kind of approach that these partners are using, where they twin the children and the parents, so that the parents know what exactly the children are being taken through, the things they are being taught, what areas that need to be of importance, and that is building a very strong support for the children, especially when it comes to issues of defilement, issues of sodomy, like she has said, that are also affecting the boys. And one very important thing that I also appreciated is the issue of using technology in sensitizing these children.
Alia Beach, Ramogi TV, Homa Bay.
Kawuke County Homa Bay wadhi county